siya na tao na.
Sorry.
Yes. Hi there. So we just arrived at Singapore Airport and ka-allergy ako during the flight. Ang katin ng ilong ko tsaka ng mata ko. So we're gonna be layover for 2 hours or an hour and 30 minutes here before flying to Dubai. After a 6-hour-long flight, I landed at Dubai International Airport. This is gonna be a 4-hour-long layover, so I stayed at the Marhaba Lounge so I could relax, freshen up, and eat as much food as I want. I was surprised halos mga Pilipino yung nag-work dito, kaya feeling ko nasa Pinas lang ako. I need your morning coffee. Hi there! So, nandito na ako sa accommodation ko sa Rome and sobrang nakakapanibago yung check-in process nila. Tingnan nyo. Wala silang reception or anything. So, for you to enter, kailangan mo check tong QR code na to. And then, you will be given a code kung paano mo i-open itong box na to. You have a designated box number to get your key. So, when you get your key, you open the door and then find you. Wow, nakakaloka. So, ayun, hindi pa tapos yung room ko. Pag-enter ko, may tao naman sa loob. Maghahanap muna ako ng coffee shop sa baba, I guess, and then I'll be back in 30 minutes. Hi there! So, we are here at Piazza Navona. This is one of the most famous na piazza dito sa Rome. So, as you can see, there are a lot of people here. And it's super pretty. Ang ganda ng fountain na to. Buongiorno! Hello! It's our first morning here in Rome. Nakapag-ayos na ako kasi today is a very special day for me. Today is the day that I'm gonna visit the Vatican City. Kaya I'm all dressed up because hopefully we're meeting the Pope. Kaya I'm very, very excited. I'll just grab coffee and bread. Then I'll head to Vatican na kasi today meron kasing Jubilee of Justice event which I signed up for na hindi ganun kadami yung tao and I get to see the Pope, diba? I'm so happy. I am waking up here in Rome and I will take you guys with me in my journey to the Vatican City. So this is today's fit check. Ayan. This is the same street na nilakad ko kagabi pabalik ng apartment tapos sobrang dilim na. But sa umaga, it's really very beautiful kasi makikita mo yung structures ng mga buildings. ngayon ay naglalakad na tayo papunta sa Vatican City. So, malamig pala dito sa umaga. I mean, hindi pa naman like winter ngayon, pero medyo chilling sa umaga. And I found some friends. Hi, from Malta.
Hello.
This is, ano yung name mo? Si Jed? Si Sid and si Jasmine. Hi! So happy. Ay! May ganon.
Panoorin namin yung vlog mo.
Napikikulis yung bingko nila.
Cappuccino and pistachio cornetto. So good. Hi! Masarap. Participation. Ayan, oo. Ang sarap nito. Ano ba yan? So we're waiting for the arrival of the Holy Father. Charing. Yes.
Ikaw ba? Ma dai! Mario non ho avuto almeno! Mari! Una foto dai!
Avvocati, presidi di facoltà giuridiche e docenti universitari.
On our way to the Holy Door. Sobrang ganda. Ayan, Benedicto. What, Benedicto 14th. So I walked from the Basilica to the Vatican Museum and akala ko malapit lang, layo pala. 1 kilometer na lakaran.
For the Vatican Museum ticket, I purchased a guided tour at their website. So here is our tour guide explaining what we will see inside the museum. The whole tour took about 3 hours, and I was surprised the museum was in fact so huge. It has a lot of gallery and art collections of the different popes throughout the century. We also visited the chambers, which used to be the Pope's room back in the days. The last part of the tour was entering the Sistine Chapel, but we are not allowed to take videos or photos inside.
Hi there! So, ngayon, kakatapos ko lang ng aking Vatican Museum tour. So, I went on a guided tour. And ngayon, I am going back to my apartment para mag-charge. Kasi lobat na ako. And then, I also needed to rest kasi sobrang pagod na ng paa ko. Ang dami kong nilakad today. Grabe. Kaya pag pupunta kayo dito, make sure that you wear comfortable shoes. And then, make sure na may dala kayong power bank. Kasi, malulupat talaga kayo. And, I didn't realize na ganito kainit sa Rome pag midday. Kasi in the morning and in the evening, medyo chilly yung panahon. Malamig yung hangin, pero yung tama ng araw, sobrang sakit. When we were waiting kay Pope doon sa St. Peter's Square kanina, sobrang tutong talaga. But then, it was worth it kasi nakita ko siya. Tapos ang lapit ko pa kasi doon ako nag-wait sa may barricade kung saan dumadaan yung Pope mobile niya. I'm just so happy na I get the opportunity na makita siya. Naghintay ako sa initan. Sobrang worth it. So, ayun. After meeting the Pope, nag-tour na kami inside the Basilica and we were the first group of people who entered the Door of Mercy, St. Peter's Door of Mercy. Kaya konti pa lang yung tao. So, ayun, parang sobrang surreal lang ng experience. Kaya, yeah. Actually, when I was there, hindi pa nga nakisinkin sa akin na nasa room ako. How much more nasa St. Peter's Basilica ako. Diba? So, ayan lang. I'll be back to give you an update later. By the way, guys, papakita ko pala sa inyo yung apartment ko. So, ayan. So, paggabi, sarado to. And then, you'll have to key in yung number dito para makapasok ka. And then, ayan. Then you have to lock the room. You have to lock the door.
Iwasang Bonifacio.
Ay, wow.
Don't tell me. Ayan na agad. Lunch.
Welcome to Intramuros.
Tramuro.
Friends ako sa inyo. Hi! Video ako. Our last dinner in Roma. Margarita. Ano pangalan nito?
Casio e Pepe.
Casio e Pepe. Ayan. And an Aperol Spritz.
Ay,
Okay lang. Okay na. Ito. Ayan. Hey!
Thank you.